What is up, guys? So welcome to the highly anticipated Magic and Bird reaction. This will be coming out at probably 12 AM EST, I think. All you Americans that are like half asleep right now, wake up. I don't know what to expect. Yeah, I really don't. I don't know if I'll play kids or dunk contest just because I've done it already. I might play a bit of kids since that reaction got blocked worldwide, so let's get into it. So it's called Andy Mineo and Wordsplayed present Magic and Bird. So we'll start off with high five loading. So this is the start of it, and then it goes into kids, then dunk contest, then we'll carry on. So I hope I'm not disappointed, man. So they made an animation for this on Instagram, so I already know this already. So I just hope the transition into kids is good. Well, I've already heard this already. I know you guys have as well. So let's just skip to track 4, Say Less. Right, Say Less. This was my favorite preview right now, so I hope it's good. Well, not right now. This was my favorite preview for the mixtape, so it better not disappoint. Come on. Ooh, Garvey. It sounds very Garvey-like as well. Come on. Woo! Oh, I like it. Tell him. When's Wordsplayed coming in? Garvey came hard with the speed. Oh, I thought this was this. Oh. Oh, they changed it up. It's different to the preview. Alright, we've got Discuss Skit right now. And then we've got R.U.T.S or R.U.T.S afterwards. I mean, I don't really find it that funny, honestly, but... Woo! Come on, hit me with a drop. Throw it up in the air. Oh, come on! Hey! Come on. Alright. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, I like it now. Hey. Hey. So R.U.T.S stands for run up the score. I don't like this part, honestly. Oh. Hey, Mr. LA's coming. Alright. Okay. I want to hear Wordsplayed with a bit of auto-tune. That would be kind of sick. Ooh! Yo, tell him. Alright, we've heard Judo already, so... Oh man, there's not many songs left. How many songs? 1, 2... Oh, we've still got 4 good ones though, because Layup is... That's like 2 years old. We don't want to hear that. Alright, we're gonna switch Judo, because I've already done a reaction to that. Go and check that out. I'll probably have a pop-up come up for that. Let's do Break Bread featuring Beam. Alright. I like this. Come on. Get it right. Sleepless day ones. I think it's time. I like it. Okay. It's a bit Metro skit now. Alright, I remember this from previews, so hopefully it's good. This is like kind of a chill one as well. I need a bit of hype in my life, man. The second half of the mixtape has kind of been chill like this. Oh, this is the part from the preview. This goes on for a while, actually. Doing my dance, ayy. Alright, that was alright. Alright, these last two, because Layup I've already heard before, it's like 2 years old. So I'm hoping these two deliver, because there were some bangers so far. Kids and Dunk Contest were probably the best one, and I like R.U.T.S as well, or like Run Up the Score. So I hope these two are bangers. If they're slow ones, I'm gonna be disappointed, honestly, but let's get into it. Okay, track 10, Team. Alright, I like it, come on. Alright, bit of reggae right now. Come on, hit me with a drop. Yeah, this is a slow one, man, come on. I mean, the instrumentals have been all good, but come on. Oh, hey, come on. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Woo! Come on, Andy. I want Wordsplayed to come in here, that'd be sick. Come on. Playing no D, come on. Ah, stop slowing it down, man. I mean, it's already, I don't know if I'm feeling the reggae vibe right now, so. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. These lyrics, bro. I like it, but the reggae vibe kind of ruined it for me. Alright, track 12, the last one, because I'm not going to do Layup, I've heard it already. So I'm not going to listen to that, but legend, bro. Come on, bro, hit me with some hype. I like parts of that Team one, though.
I get it, I see you're sucking wind.
I see it.
You probably want to quit now.
Does it have to be an instrumental like this? For what it is, though, I do like it. It's a nice chill song for what it is. Alright, so overall I think it's pretty solid. I think in the future I'd probably listen to Kids, Dunk Contest, Say Less maybe, Run Up the Score, maybe Team. Yeah, I mean, it was pretty good. I do wish they release Kids afterwards, because if I just heard it without listening to Dunk Contest, Judo or Dunk Contest, I think I would have liked it a lot better. But obviously they've got to hype up the mixtape. But overall, solid mixtape. Out of 10 though, I'd say a 7.5. That's the overall feeling I get from it. If I hadn't heard Kids and Dunk Contest, probably an 8. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. If you want to support me, go and check out my Patreon. I'm kind of low on money right now. The YouTube adpocalypse is hurting right now, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.